Most homeowners believe at least one termite myth, and that myth is usually the reason termites cause thousands of dollars in damage before anyone realizes what's happening. Let's fix that today. Myth number 3 is the one that catches almost every homeowner. I've been doing pest control since 1994, and the biggest thing I've learned is this. Termites don't destroy homes, misinformation does. When you believe the wrong thing, you don't inspect, you don't look for moisture, and you don't call for help until it's too late. Myth number 1, if I don't see termites, I'm fine. This is the most expensive myth of them all. Subterranean termites stay hidden. Underground, inside walls, inside wood. They don't walk around in the open. That's why 63% of homes today already have active termites and the homeowner has no idea. Myth number 2, I will see the damage before it gets bad. Nope. Termite damage usually looks perfect on the outside and hollow on the inside. By the time you see something, the wood has already been eaten from the inside out. Myth number 3, termites only show up when wood is present. Here's the truth. Termites show up when moisture is present. Moisture softens wood and makes it easy to chew. That's why wet crawl spaces, poor grading, downspouts that vent water against the building, and mulch are huge problems. This myth alone is why so many homes get infested to begin with and reinfested after a treatment. Myth number 4 is one most companies never correct. And here it is, myth number 4. A termite treatment solves the problem forever. A treatment stops activity, but if moisture stays the same, the environment still invites termites back. The problem wasn't fixed, the symptoms were. That's why many treatments fail. It's not the product, it's the moisture. And here's myth number 5, the DIY termite treatment works just as well. In many regards, this is like trying to do your own surgery. Termite control isn't about spraying something, it's about understanding moisture, soil, structure, and termite behavior. DIY almost always fails and the homeowners lose thousands. Myth number 6, annual inspections aren't necessary. Because termites stay hidden, the only way to catch problems early is with a professional inspection, especially in older homes or homes with crawl spaces. Inspections save money, skipping them costs money. At Planet Friendly Pest Control, we don't sell fear, we fix environments. We teach you exactly what to look for, we inspect for moisture, we show you the hidden risks, and we give you a prevention plan. Our goal is simple. Protect your home using the least amount of product possible. If you want the truth about your home, not myths, schedule your initial site evaluation today. We check everything, we'll explain everything, and we give you a written plan that protects your home for years. If you're on our Pest Block or Max Block plans, termite protection fits perfectly into your service. Give us a call today or click the link in the description below to schedule your initial site evaluation. I'm Wright. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.